Greetings from All Pro Overhead Door, your trusted provider for exceptional garage doors service in Granite Bay. Is your garage door stuck or not functioning properly? No worries. Our skilled technicians are ready to help. With years of experience, we take pride in delivering top-quality service for all your garage door needs. All Pro Overhead Door truly came through for us. When our garage door had issues, they arrived quickly and resolved the problem efficiently. Whether it's a broken spring or a malfunctioning opener, our team is equipped to handle any challenge. We start with a thorough inspection to identify the issue and provide lasting solutions. Ready to enhance your home's appearance? We offer a wide range of stylish and durable garage doors to fit any budget. Contact us today at 916.628.3639 or visit allproverheaddoor.com to schedule your garage doors service in Granite Bay. All Pro Overhead Door, where quality service meets peace of mind.